So now we have this week. Do you see this weekly here? It's not removing. Do you see this weekly support here?
Yeah.
And that's the price. That's where the price is
Prices now.
breaking the last. This is the last weekly. This is when it's already broken. We don't care about this one now because this is broken is above this one, right?
Right.
Also, I go to all the way to the left to see is any weekly before that from the top. So the weekly that I see here is this one here. So maybe this one could be a target, right? And I see this one here also. As you can see, prices in between them, right?
Right.
Let me do this so I can, because I care only about the body of the candle. So let me add this as a weekly resistance and go to this one again. Weekly, another weekly resistance here. All right, let's go back now to the price and see if we have any weeklies before that. Right, did you see that we retested that zone? And the weekly. Now we have price which weekly is above. It's above this one here, right? So now we're gonna do this one. Okay, let me do this like this. Weekly support. Now we go back to the price. So now we go to daily. And we have previous daily closed back above that, right? And we didn't have a retest yet. We do, let me see, which we did have in the 8 hour. We did have in the 6 hour, not yet, did not touch it. 4 hour retested. Almost all time frame, you're going to see retesting that zone after closing back above, right?
Okay.
Even 1 hour. Now, daily did not test yet. So there's a high chance for this daily to come back to do the same as the 4 hour, 8 hour, 3 hour, right? That's what I said, like this 4 hour close back above, and then you look in the lower time frame where the moving averages. I like to see the moving averages exactly at that zone. And the 2 hour, that's what I see the moving averages. Also 15 the 1 hour. So let's say I took buys here. I took buys right here, right? And I will manage my trade if this 1 hour has closed below, just below this 1861 616, below that yellow zone. That's my exit. That's my exit of the trade. My stop loss would be somewhere down here. Right. Also, I look at the like other time frame. We have another 50, which makes it even hard, like strong zone. Another 8 moving average on the 3 hour. So usually when price closes above like this, it likes the price always likes to come back to that moving average, whether it's in the 1 hour, like you see that after this one closing back above, comes back all the way down to that moving average and then reject and close above the zone. That's what it happened. Same thing here. Right. So now that the 3 hour moving average is already above the zone, so I'm not interested in this one. I'm interested in the one is closer to that zone, which is the 4 hour 8 moving average, right? So we're probably gonna get a push down here, and then we're gonna look for buys from here. It's hard to like understand it for the first time, but if you watch me every day how I do it, you're gonna get it. It's simple. It's nothing like crazy, you know.
Yeah, I was just confused on how you because I hear everybody talking about the weekly and the daily, and it came back here, but I didn't understand exactly. And I went back and I went to market fluidity and rewatched the videos. So I was like, what am I missing? I'm missing something, man. I was like, and I understand what he's saying, about impulse buying and
Mhm,
impulse entry, and then um, when one candle goes above the other and stuff. I get all that, and I understand it,
mhm.
and the possibility of it going higher. Once it breaks either the highs or if it breaks the lows.
But
What?
the Raja style is different. He trades in the 1 hour supports and resistance, 30 minute.
Yeah.
I don't trade that. Like let's say we have let's say like let's remove this and show you an example why it's very important to look at the higher time frame. Just leave it there. So in the style he trades, it works for him because it needs only 10 pips, right? Let's say we
Hmm.
have a 1 hour support here, right?
Right.
And some people they take the break of this one here, right?
Right.
And but people don't like some people they don't know that they take in cells at the weekly zone, which is this one here we were talking about, right? That's
Right.
why it has a rejection, and then it goes against them, and they say, "Oh, why? What happened?" Like you focus into 1 hour, but the most important zone it's the weekly. The higher it's the higher zone is the more important it is. So that's why I stick to high time frame zones. This is just like this is my style of trading. I don't trade like Raja.
Yeah. I
He
mean,
trades
you're spot
different.
on. I mean, everything that you've been putting out has been hitting. So
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, for our closed, this is gonna wick up a little bit and fill this wick down, and let's see if we get that push down here. So the reason why is rejecting here because we have this daily over here, right? But
right.
I don't want to take buys from here because I don't see the confirmation for me. 1 hour is above. If this 2 hour moving average comes closer to that zone here, we're gonna take a buy from here and manage if like 1 hour close below the zone, we get out. Because like I said, the weekly hasn't retested on the daily yet. That's why I say there's a chance to come back to that. Also, you have to look at the weekly with weekly closed. So basically, weekly already closed back above all these zones here. That's why it came all the way up. It was making that bottom week down here and push up. We also have another weekly over here. Yeah, yesterday, as soon as this one closed back above here, it keeps pushing up straight. And it closed above this weekly again. So yeah, let's see what happened over here now. Gonna wait and see if we got this 2 hour coming here. We're gonna be looking for the buys from here, or we can take buys from this zone here if it comes straight down right now. But we will manage it if the 1 hour close close here somewhere, something like this, right? We're gonna get out because there's a chance to go down. And the entry would be still down here, so yeah, that's I'm gonna be waiting for. Um, and GJ, let's go back to GJ now. GJ still holding that runner. So
Hello,
GJ,
hello, good morning.
hello, who is this? Who is this? Zahir? I don't know. I think it's Saji.
So how long
So
you been trading with Raja?
I've been doing it for like a while now, since last November. So now it's like a year. But I tried the strategy for a little bit, but I didn't like it was not for me. Because before that I used to like more swing
Hmm.
trades. I tried that scalping Rajat does. I don't like it because it's very over managing in 15 minutes and stuff like that. Like you break the 15 minute, you close the trade, and I didn't like it. But it does work for him, so
Yeah.
everyone trades
Yeah.
different.
Right.
So now this is what I see here on let's go back. It's a lot of charts here. Let's go back and do GJ analysis here. For some reason, it's not removing this. So we have 3 month resistance right where the price is right now. It's very important to have that here, right? There's not other, there is no other zone 3 month except that one, and price is above it. If it was above this one here,
Hmm.
so this one doesn't matter. Like it's very far away. We don't care about this. Gonna care about
Okay.
this.
What's closer to price?
Yeah, and what price just recently broke, right? Which is this one.
Got it.
Gonna mark this. I like to mark them because sometimes you get confused between weekly and daily and monthly.
Right. There's a lot of lines.
Yeah, weekly resistance. I said weekly. Resistance. Okay, now we go to monthly. So as you can see, previous monthly closed back above. Who knows, this monthly came down here to make a bottom week and then reject that 3 month and keep going, right? But
Hmm.
for now, we're not going to focus on that. Where is that monthly? Monthly, we have this monthly here, first one, if the price comes back up here. And then we're going to see what's inside in between these zones, between is any weekly or daily. Monthly resistance. Okay. Now we have price in between monthly and 3 month resistance zones, right?
Right.
Now we go to weekly. So this is where we took the trade from, this weekly here. We have this weekly, which makes it, this zone makes it even stronger. Weekly resistance. Let me put this thing here a little bit smaller. Okay, so we have 3 months and weekly at that zone. Let's go back to weekly and see if we have any other weekly over here. We do have this one here. See this one? So before we care about the monthly as a TP, we're going to focus on this one because this one is before that, before monthly.
Right. It's closer.
Yeah. For some reason, I can't move the whole thing in here. Weekly supports. And then we make sure that's the only zones in the weekly we have, which is this one here. And that's it. There is no other weekly. Let me see. So that's the zones we have there for the weekly, right? So prices above it. Now we want to see what is closing back above that zone. Go to daily. We have daily like 2 days ago closing back above that zone, as you can see here, right?
Right.
That's why I was looking for buys above this zone, and also from here we show you why. See that monthly we have here?
Mm-hmm.
So we go to daily, because when price is breaking above, this one could be any like as big as you want, but if it breaking down, you put it up because you want to see if it's breaking the body of the candles, right? That's what
Got
I
it.
care about. So we have previous daily closed back down. I believe there is another monthly if I don't. Yeah, there is this one before that, right? There is this one before that, and of course this one, but let's see what happened over here. So you see that we have daily closing back down, but this daily closed back in above
Right.
monthly. What happened over here? Retest and keep
Retest.
pushing. And now I see in the lower time frame as 1 hour also moving averages changing for buys here. Right? I took buys from here actually, right here. That's what I was looking. I said, okay, price now broke down, it break up again, as you can see here, even like 2 hour candle closed back above, rejected here and pushed and came back for a retest again and pushed straight up. Because when price closed back above and closed back in again, that means the previous high time frame closing back down here is done, making that top bottom wick or top wick is going to continue. We came in the lower time frame is going to go in the direction of the previous candle closed in the right direction. I don't know if it makes
Right.
sense, but let me show you. So what do we see in here above that monthly? We see a weekly closing back above. Do we have any
Right.
weekly closing back down?
No. Everything's
That's why
rejected. Everything's there.
that's why price in made that bottom week rejected, because this is a very important zone rejected, and you can see it in the daily. This is, I call this like in this indecision. If it was weekly closing back down here, then I will be like, okay, we'll be looking for sells down. But as
Right.
it came back up, I understand that it wants to continue with this previous bullish candle closing above monthly. And that's what I was started looking for buys. I want to see this daily. And of course, there's another monthly here. We have to, we have this one here. We have, let me see, is any other 3 month, it's down here. So yeah, um, that's how I look at the charts. And now we do have that daily closing back above. And this zone is very, very strong. We took actually sales from here all the way down. See that daily closing below that 3 month resistance here?
Yeah.
We took sales from here all the way down. And now we coming
Okay.
back above, as you can see, does it all time. Like we have a close back in the daily, retest it, keep pushing. But in here, we have moving averages below the price. Makes sense to keep going up. And now here, close below the 8 here, and then it came back down. But weekly is still bullish. So that's why it comes back above this zone to continue with the bullish momentum.
Now I understand.
So, and it does it in the like in every time frame, right? like even like 4 hour close back above here, you go lower, lower time frame, maybe 1 hour, it comes back always to that moving average. Explained that the other day to, I don't know if she's here. She's not here. She was, I said, don't, like we saw this closing back above. So I said, do not buy here because I know it's going to come back here in the
Uh-huh.
4 hour. Where is it? I think this one here, right? 4 hour closed back above and next 4 hour came back down. As you can see here, you can see it in the lower time frame as explained now about weekly and daily. Close back down and close back above, which means the 4 hour is going to continue with the previous 4 hour here to keep going up in the same direction. What happened here in the lower time frame was just that 4 hour making that bottom week.
Right.
Make sense?
Yep.
So
Yep.
yeah,
Yep.
that's a good webinar in it.
Right.
So yeah,
Um,
just have to understand how candles and what they mean in a different time frame.
yeah,
Right?
I didn't understand that. So, but yeah, you made it make sense. So I was wondering why you got the weekly and stuff like that, and I couldn't understand.
Yeah.
But now that you explained it, and how they break through, and then that's how you find your direction because
Uh-huh.
it hasn't come
So
back to retest.
over here, like we see that price. I was like, once we broke that up here, let me see. Once we broke up here, I was waiting for this to come back down here to take buys, and they mentioned this uh, yesterday, and it happened today at 2 p.m. I think
Uh-huh.
Jansen got this buys here, so that's why I bought from here, and then he came back, we tested the zone here again, and then we got in again. Right? I was going to take buys from here, but it never came back. It was straight up, so I waited for it.
Uh-huh.
It went all the way up and then it came all the way down. To take sales from here, there's no confirmation for sales. That's why I wait for what I want to wait and get in. Because
Right.
the you see that price keeps more like respecting the moving average here.
Uh-huh.
You don't want to sell here, like it's risky. That's why I called this trade earlier sales, because it was a risky trade. It was something like this, but it worked. Yeah,
Yeah,
now
that's crazy.
we have this daily here. Where is it? Or let me see. We have this zone here, which is a daily, right in here. So this one is the first one, so I don't care about this. So I do this one. That's what I think it was rejecting. So you see that daily close back, 4 hour close back above, like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles
Right.
rejected that zone and finally came back because it had to come back for the daily retest.
Got it. Yeah, I got you.
And now we're just holding runner and see if we keep pushing, and they want it to close back above here and let's see if we get another entry above. So let's say what kind is about to close? 3 hour, let's say 3 hour close back above here, then we're going to be like waiting on the 1 hour. Sometimes it's going to be ranging above until this 8 moving average comes closer to that zone, and that's where we're going to be. It's going to be coming back a little bit far and come back to that zone where the moving average, and then we take it up. We're going to be
Yeah.
something like this. Like once we close back above here, it comes back to that moving average. See that?
Yeah.
And then reject it up a bit. That's what happens. So that's what I see price doing, and that's what I wait always for. Let's see gold. It may come back. It's coming down, right? Let's see now. We can take sales from here once we close back 33-hour here, but it's going to be risky. Let me see. 3-hour closing back below that zone. Then we wait for the next 3-hour candle to come to that moving average right here, and we take it down to that zone here. So this is going against the trend, right? That's why I call it the risky trend, the risky trade here. Let me see. And the way to manage this, if the 1 hour close back above this zone here, which is a daily 1864, above this zone, we exit the trade. And that's why you see on DJ 1 hour never closed here. That's why I mentioned if it closed back below this zone here, we're out. I never did. And now we are going up again. Yeah. Now we just have to wait. Now there is no trade on GJ unless we close back above or if it comes back down here, because I like to take the trades at the higher time frame zones because stop could be safe. And if I see it closing back low, just like this one here, I will close my trade. I don't give it like the full stop loss. I try to not reject instead that 3-hour daily. Okay, 3 hours about to close in 40 minutes and see how we close. Previous one with respected that daily.
Yeah, that makes sense now.
High time frame, very, very important. If you know Uncle Ted, right?
Right.
He looks at the high time frame. He never give any details, but he does look at the monthly, 3-month, weekly. He did mention in his live stream. Sometimes people asked him, what do you look at? Like what time frame? He said monthly, weekly. That's it. He didn't give any explanation. But I find out this by myself.
Oh, you found this out by yourself?
Yeah, I find this by myself. Yeah. So I used to trade like in 4-hour. I was like always like something was. I get good trades, but not, like most of times it like I don't get it right. I was doing 4-hour resistance. I don't do 4-hour resistance now, daily and up. Because if you look at the 4-hour here, we have many resistance and support, and it does not make sense. But if you go to high time frame, it does make sense. There's one. So that's where we focus for, right?
Right.
Because we don't respect them. We don't respect them at all.
Yep, you're right. Oh, that's pretty cool though. Yeah, it make sense now.
Yeah, if you go like to like you don't have to do like a replay. Just go the high time frame, do the zones, draw the zones, and see how and go lower to the lower time frame and see how the lower time frame candles react to that zones.
Got it. Got it.
Let's see US 30. Do it again here.
Wow. London opens at 1 a.m., 1:30.
Hello, guys.
Hey, correct.
Back.
Welcome back,
guys. Yeah.
We are
I'm
here
just driving,
waiting.
sorry.
So London opens at 3 a.m. 2 a.m. it's pre-London.
Yeah, 2 a.m. it's pre-London.
So we have, and so this is a monthly, but it's far away still on there. So as you can see here, we have that monthly closing above this resistance. There is a chance for this to come back here, but we have to see in the weekly to confirm coming down here. We have to see what's going on up here. So as there is another weekly up here, so we're gonna forget about monthly because we want to target this first.
Got it.
You see that close above? You see that retest?
Yeah. Yep.
If we go to lower time frame, you can get a trade from there, right? You can get a trade right here once it came back to the moving average, or here,
Right.
or here, right?
Yep, yep.
So yeah, that's
Pretty cool.
yeah. So let's see now. Let's do daily. You can see here daily already closed back down here, and we go to this daily here. So this zones could be a target. Let's see 4 hour. Okay, we don't care about this here, or if like break. We care what's going on, what's happening right now here. Now
Right.
I know that daily closed back down here, but did not give a retest, a clear retest yet. Now we go to lower time frame, 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. This is an entry for sales, all right? Right here,
Right.
right here. Daily plus moving average there. That's an entry right here. So how I would manage this, if this 1 hour close back above the 8 moving average above this zone. Let me see where the daily is at. So mark this. So we go back to 1 hour. If the 1 hour close back above the yellow zone, 35.96.6, and above this 8 moving average, that's the exit. You don't have to give the full stop loss here. So that's a sell there for US 30.
Which is a perfect for the stop loss.
Yeah. So
You know?
so now if this, let's say 4 hour close back above here, right? Which means this daily coming from the bottom up here, it wants to keep making that top wick. And if like anytime in the lower time frame, it comes back below here, which means it's done making that top wick here. Try to draw this. It's done to make that top wick above, and now it's going to continue down with this previous daily close back down, because this is an indicator to continue going down. Understand?
Got it. Yep.
So it's same what happened over here. We did break down here. If you go to lower time frame, let's see what happened over here. You can see it like even like in clear in the 4 hour. 4 hour did not close, something like this, like close back below and close up again, and then close back, close up, and then continue going that up. Why? Because previous daily is above. This one here is a bullish, is above the zone. So when price comes back to that zone, you see it coming all the way down here. It doesn't mean sell here, right? You have to see what's going on here into the left, which is a daily. Sorry, it's not a daily, it's here. So let me see. It's also like a 8 moving average there at that zone, which is bullish. And also now we are below the 8 moving average. So overall, this still was bullish.
Right.
I actually took explained sales from here the other day, and did work out.
Oh, you trade US 32?
I don't, but I took paper trades in there. I used to trade before before I do this analysis like this. I lost a lot, so I stopped doing it. But now I may try it someday. Go back. I call this sales from here. Right, exactly that zone. It came all the way down here to that moving average on the daily, and then it came up again. So we had that, where is it? We had that previous daily, right? It
Uh-huh.
was below this daily here. And if we go to 2 hour time frame, look where the 2 hour 8 moving average is at. Is it the next daily, not this one? So price likes to come back to the moving average. That's why I decided to take it down from here, not from here, because we didn't
Right,
have
right.
a moving average at this zone here. And then it came all the way down like 300 pips or something.
Damn.
Yeah.
That was a good that was a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah, so this one now we do have a 1 hour here moving average. This could be a sell down here. Let me see gold. Gold is still coming. Oh, GG is pushing. Nice. Korai, did you hold your GJ?
Yeah, but I made a few mistakes this morning.
What you did?
So I was like, I took the two trades, but with the gold, I just secure around 9 pips or 8 pips.
Mm-hmm.
But I was like, I was thinking to hold it till 20 or 25 pips.
Yeah.
And then because as you know, like I'm just trying to finish the challenge.
Yeah.
So and then like when I just secure to 8 pips or something, like then like price was dropped so badly. I was like, fuck, if I hold it, I will be up this much and blah blah, this and that.
Yeah.
And that thing is like break my psychology
Yeah.
in that time.
It's not good to think like that. We don't know. Like we don't know if it's was going to come
Yeah,
down. That's the thing. We always have to secure. We didn't know that's going to come all the way down here. We wanted to take it from here
exactly.
if it comes back down here. If not, we're going to wait for the next level.
Yeah,
So I did hold my runner. I closed it here,
beautiful, man. And then I
somewhere
took the
around here.
GJ.
I closed,
And then
I
I
mean
took the
like a
GJ.
secured profit here. I have a
Yeah,
very small one. And then you took buy soon GJ, we called.
GJ. Yeah, and then like I open as a normal position, like 3 lots as usual. And
Mm-hmm.
then when the price is just going down so badly, I just closed the 2 lots with $250 losses. I
Oh
was
my
like,
God,
fuck.
man. I told you to wait for the close down here.
I know, yeah, yeah. Because like the psychology, like I was like, I was only like, I need to make $700 or something. And I was like, just I lost like 250. And then I was like, my psychologies went off. And then I just closed it anyway.
Mm-hmm.
And then I open it like as a like 3 more position, like what they call it. In the different area, I open like one lot on different price, let's say. Like what they call it? They call it
I have no idea.
what the, yeah, they call it like fuck. Anyway, I don't remember. And then like finally, I made the all losses back,
Awesome.
but I didn't earn anything from those 2 trades,
Oh
which
man.
is I was like, fuck. If I hold the 2 trades, maybe I already up like $600 or $700, and which is I will complete the challenge like just easily. But
Yeah.
right now I'm still in stress.
It's okay, man. Like you got
Yeah,
to do what you
I
got
do
to do,
have.
you know?
I do have one London section and then full trading day of the tomorrow. So
How many
hopefully
days do you have now?
$700 left.
Seven hundred
I have,
dollars.
yeah, I made $3,500 also. No, 330
Okay.
something. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. Like if I hold my position, like it means like 2 trades or maybe 3 trades.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Well,
like psychology is everything, man. You know, just
yeah, you see it coming back straight down, and then you said, okay, let me see how many
yeah,
pips
I'm going to close it. Yeah,
you got in here.
yeah.
It was like only 10 pips.
I know. I know.
But
I know.
anyways, I was
Yeah.
waiting, like I said, like if this 4 hour close below this zone and below this 8 moving average, that's the exit. But it never did. And
Yeah.
this
It
this four
never
hour
did. Yeah.
this 4 hour was a new 4 hour open. That's why he pushed a little bit further because it was a new
Actually, I
four
didn't.
hour
I
and he
yeah.
pushed down first before up.
Yeah. Actually, I didn't take the position like when I just hit the like the that price, because like I was like when I was just checking the charts and it's coming down so badly, I was like I should wait to like 4 hour close.
You
If it
know what?
close above, I'm going
Mhm.
to like I'm going to give a chance. And then I was like, all right, you know what? And then it closed above. I took a position, and then it's coming down so badly, 10 or 12 pips. I was like, okay, you know what? It's going down. I should close, and then fly up.
You know what I did here? I added another one.
Beautiful, man.
And it went
Yeah,
up a little bit and they closed it and left only the first one I had.
yeah, man. I should do the same. You know, I should do the same.
Sometimes that happens to me. Like, don't blame you. Like sometimes when I see it like doing that quick thing, I just caught it. Like
Yeah,
the reason why I hold it a little bit because I expected touch on this 3 month resistance like this one here also, right? I said, okay,
yeah,
let's see what it does here. And
yeah.
I had stop loss way down here, so
Beautiful, man. Yeah, like if it's happened like during the normal day, I will probably hold it. I will
yeah,
definitely hold the full position. Like I will not. I'm not going to think about it. But it is what it is.
yeah. You got to manage the trade, and
Yeah,
that's
man.
it.
But luckily, like as I mentioned, like I just made the whole losses back, which is also important.
Yeah, you opened the
So
GJ.
GJ, yeah, three position, like three different level, one lot, one
Mm.
lot, one lot, in total three lots, and I just close it. All of them is maybe 15 pips or something.
Oh,
I'll make
okay.
another 300 or $320 or something.
Mm-hmm.
And then like I do have a runner, but it's just really small, like 0.30 lots or something, which is
Sorry.
nothing.
Yeah. Let's see
Yeah.
if you get this challenge done today on this bold.
Yeah, man.
Let's
Hopefully.
see. Yeah.
Hopefully.
So 3 hours is about to close. We can take it from here down. It's going to be risky, right? Because we want to buy overall, but we're going to take it from this daily down here as this 1 hour close below the 8 and below the daily, also the 3 hour, right? And as daily didn't touch the zone yet on the weekly, so let's see if we can take it from here down as a re-entry from here. And the trade we had from here, it was a daily zone. Let me show you. Which one was diff? So when you like look how many trades zones in here, but which one was the first to touch? Was this one here? It was this one. Daily resistance. And that's what came to, right? That's why it came to that and then start to go down. If we had this like 1 hour closing back above this zone here, that was my exit for the trade. Because the reason why also I thought, okay, look at the 5 minute. I saw this price was far away from the moving average, and now that for like 5 minutes, it has to come back to this moving average at least, because it's like I said, price, it loves to come back to moving averages. When it's far away, it comes back to it. Also, there is like 15 minutes was far away from that zone because it was pushing straight up. Yeah, and end up going straight down. Hey, Najim, Rasa Kun, are you
You
looking
taking this
buys?
trade?
Not yet. We wait for this 3 hour to close, right?
Close.
Yeah, because it's a daily in this previous 3 hour respected that zone, right? We want to close back down in 3 hour here. Then the next 3 hours is gonna push up to make that top wick around this moving average in the 1 hour, and then we're heading down. GJ buys, we have to wait for a close back above this daily here. We have no trade right now because we don't want to take any trade in this inside here. You don't want to trade here, right?
And Najim, I would like to add something. You know, like with
Yes.
your style, like I feel more confident. You know, like when you just explain the gold, like if you just switch the gold,
Yeah.
like you just, for example, in Raja's style, you know, the 30 minutes close below the resistance, and then you can take a sell, but you know, just there isn't a weak below, so it could be work, but you know, just there is also a consolidation on the left hand side. It could be like a risky, but in your style, like
Yeah.
you're just waiting at 3 hours below the close below the, and then you're just waiting another touch, and then like, yeah, I feel like, you know, just more confident.
So 3 hour here, all what happened over here in the 3 hour, I don't care about it unless it was like a weekly or daily, right? If it was a daily zone over here in the middle, like this one here, some here, yes, I will add that. I will draw that zone as a strong zone. But 3 hour, like 3 hour, 1 hour, what's happening in here? Like, which one are you gonna watch? Like, there's a lot of zones. Like, we don't care about that. So if we go to like higher time frame, it's clear that there is a daily here, the weekly here, which candle is gonna close now, like the higher time frame, the strong confirmation. So 3 hour is the first one is gonna close, and also I believe is 3 hour and 1 hour. So 4 hour is still open. 3 hour, right? So 3 hour is about to close down here if it closed back down. So that's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah, beautiful, man.
Najim, one question. This
Yes.
1864 level is the daily support, because you haven't written it, the mark.
Which one you said? 16.
The one which is 1864, 896. That is the daily.
This, yeah,
this
daily.
one.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I have to mark it. Yeah, true. It's a
This is
daily.
daily
Resistance.
Daily resistance. Okay.
This is the current daily resistance we had this morning. Also, you have to look what's going on in like 30 minutes. I don't take 30 minute trades in the 30 minutes, but I do look at the sometimes at the 15 minutes, which it looks a good indication to go down, right? Moving averages is above even in the lower time frame, which is 5 minutes, right? So that's a good confirmation there. Oh, it's coming down without us. Just let it go. If it comes back down here, we're going to be looking for buys from here.
And the
Do you have a runner?
Yeah, I have small runner. I closed like the most of it somewhere around here. I have very small runner.
Beautiful.
So I'm a bit confused, Najim. There is 2 daily resistance, huh?
No, this one is
The one above
this,
that, 1870, yeah, right.
yeah, it's also daily, yeah, and this one is daily
Okay.
also.
So how do you know which, I mean, why you put 2 daily resistance?
Just one moment to see if this is gonna come back straight down.
Okay.
How do I know there's daily? Because we have a daily here, but we do have this one here,
Mhm.
but you have to see which daily is before that, which is this one
Okay,
here.
okay. All right. Okay.
Right, we have one, we have this one, but this one is the first one. If the price wants to come up, this is the one is gonna touch first.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we make take buys because coming straight down. So let's see. Yeah, let's see.
This is the 8 MA, right? The blue
This,
one. Yeah.
yeah, this is the 8 and the 50. For those who wants to add this moving averages here, this is where I use simply moving average for 50.
SMA, yeah?
Yeah. This is simply moving average, and this one is the smooth moving average, which is 8. Take a screenshot. When you find them, let me know to give you the settings.
Okay. The setting has to be adjusted, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really coming down, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, let's take buys from here. Let it come down. Right. So as this 3 hour is about to close, and if it does close back down here, we're out of the trade. Right. 3 hour has 13 minutes to close. If it does close back below here, we exit the trade. Let me see, stop loss here. Oh, that's small stop loss for gold, 35, 34. That's what I go for.
But Najim, when the price is coming so hardly, you know, or so fast, like, don't you scare?
No,
No.
it's gonna get cold here. Just like this one here, came straight down very strong, and then
Push up.
I used to trade like this now. But even like if it goes straight down, like some crash or something, then we don't have can't do anything about it. We just have to take a loss. But the most of time does not do that. Even if it wants to continue down, we just close just below, like a little bit of loss, but just below the zone, and usually comes back to that zone to retest it before continuing down. And then sometimes they do wait for that retest and get out in the break even. Which last night a runner that I hold, that was a stupid thing I did, right? Which I said we secured 10 pips, and then runner, I said if this one outclose above the zone and above the 8 moving average, I will exit. But you know, sometimes we make mistakes. I did hold that. It was not a good idea.
Yeah, man, we are all human.
Yeah, Najim like Sage, Column, and Compare. Rasakun. Who is Zahir Zul? Because
Hey, hi Najib.
hello, how are you?
Good, I'm good.
I don't. What's your name in Telegram?
Um, Wait, let me check. I forgot. I think she is Zahira. Oh, it's Catching's Life.
Kachin's live?
Yeah.
I don't have that in my Telegram.
No, I did. It's the message.
Because I see these names, like a couple of people send them the link. That's why I asked, like, because I
I just
couldn't
said hi
find them.
to you on Instagram.
Oh, it is what it is. It's you. Okay. It is what it is.
Yep.
Okay, sounds good. So this rejecting. So 3 hours closing back down. Like this, we're gonna take it down from here. If it comes back down first, we take bias. If this closes down here, it has to come back, retest this zone. So we're waiting for it from both sides. And keep in mind, this sales is going to be risky because overall price is bullish, right? But we're gonna manage that if the 1 hour close back above, or we see something not right, because the 5 minutes still bearish for sales, right? It's gonna come back to this moving average in the 5 minutes, and then start to range, and hopefully we keep going down. It's 14 pips of stop loss. It's not bad. Let me do it 20. Okay. Today called 3 trades. We're 3 trades. We're winning trades. 3 of them. Mhm. Right. Rejecting hard, huh? Wow. This is where we want something like this.
Hi, Najim. So we're looking for, I just joined not too long. So we're looking for either a buy or a sell dependent on the closure of the, did you say the 3 hour candle?
Yeah, this hour close up below the daily. It's gonna drive it down to this zone here, which is gonna be a retest for buys. Right.
Okay.
So I was waiting for it to come back down here, but it did not touch it. So it's trying to close below the daily. So the next 3 hour, or I don't know how many candles, it's going to drive it down here to retest the daily, because daily hasn't retested the weekly yet, right down here at this zone. After this daily closing back above, this one hasn't touched that zone yet. So that's what it's trying to do.
Okay.
This hour in the way there. One moment, guys. I'm going to get some water. So if this 3-hour open came from here, came straight down here, that's a buy. But if it comes back first up here, we're gonna sell it down.
We have about 6 minutes to go.
Yeah. Yeah, GG is rejecting that zone. Let me see, 3-hour here. Still looking good. Let me see 5 minute. So basically it's ranging in between this zone. See, 6-hour is changing for bias. This is a perfect entry for bias here. 6-hour changing for bias. So what's going on? What's happening now here that I see when price is in between 8 and 50, it starts to range in between them. So we're probably going to come back up here. Let's see what's above there. So we have no moving averages on the way up. Let me see. 2 hours is above it. 1 hour is trying to break it above. So we have 30 minutes above there. So we have 30 minutes and 8-hour, which is above all the way up here. So you see what I mean? Once we break above the moving average, which is 8, it does it in any time frame. It ranges in between moving average and 8 and 50 and 8 until we close back above the 50 or below the 8. Like this one here, close back below the 8, comes back to the 50, goes back to the 8, and then finally close back above the 8 here and respect it all time until we came back below it again. Range break. See what's called the win for minutes. Oh yeah, it's gonna push up. If like I see it coming down here, but I would like to come back first again here in that 3-hour moving, 3-hour candle. So the 30 minutes close back down here. It already retested, and usually it does it in all time frame. Now 1 hour closing back down here is going to retest it. It's also the 3-hour. It's going to do the same. Yeah.
Najim, please, do you have a video on your channel that explains your approach to trading?
Yeah, this one is recorded. So I explained to Isaac all how I trade. I'm going to throw this on YouTube later. I have a channel. I don't know if you guys know my YouTube channel.
Okay. So,
And
because
you're
I
gonna
need to understand your approach to trading.
yeah, no problem. Let me show
Okay.
you how to. This is my channel, and let me send you the link. This is my. I'm gonna put this recording there.
Is it a private channel or it's public?
It's public, yeah. YouTube channel, yeah.
Najim, so you will be posting this in the YouTube today?
After we finished, yeah, maybe we'll be there
Okay.
by like tomorrow or
So,
after, yeah.
so if somebody miss this Zoom, then this recording is available on the YouTube, not in the Telegram, right?
Yeah, on YouTube. I will once it's in YouTube, I will send the link on Telegram.
Okay,
for
please. Thank you.
for the YouTube, yeah. I want to explain you now how I do it, but I just want to see how this goes.
It's like it's coming back down.
Yeah, whatever he wants to do. It's 3-hour candle open, so it has to make that top quick. If it comes back down here, we're gonna be looking for buys.
Just 33 seconds to close.
Yeah. All right, let's see.
Najim, do you mark these zones every day or you just template it and edit it every day?
If there is a new weekly or daily zone new, I delete all over. So has no
Okay.
top wick. That's a good thing. So the moving average, it did move a little bit to that zone. So we take it from this 1 hour moving average if it comes up first.
We're on an hourly, huh?
Yes.
So the 3 hours is closed.
Yes.
Okay.
3 hour just closed, right?
Mhm.
And wait for that to come back up here at same zone. We have daily, and also we have that 8 moving average, which makes it stronger because price
Okay.
always likes to come back to that moving average. Let's see this hour. Five minute. Yeah, I see it coming back up here to this 58 on the 15 also. It's gonna fill this week up. I like more buys based on the higher time frame because it's a weekly and daily close back above this zone. But gonna try this sales down here. There you go. When it goes faster like that to that zone strong, I like that because once you get to that zone, like it rejected very, very quick. Let it come, let it come, let it come to the zone. And then take it down. To that 15 minutes, 8 moving average. Come on, don't respect that 5 minute. So it's a 3 hour candle open. It has to like it's gonna make a that week top week. The higher time frame, the more it pushes to make that top week. All right, let's see. See that 8 on the 30 minute. Come on. Let it touch the 8 moving average on the 1 hour first. Wait. Let it touch it. Come on. Uh, all right, that's not good. It's already 5 minutes away. 5 pips. Let it come back. I have missed trades like this before. And when it does this, I like if it does not come back to my entry like over here again, I just let it go. Five-minute open.
It's better to be double sure. I think that's much better than just to get the real confirmation, all boxes ticked.
The first touch is giving you 10 pips very quick. Rejected very quick, 10 pips, and then it comes back up again to retest it again. And sometimes it does not. It's gonna retest, reject, and go down. It's already like I don't know if it's like 10 pips or 8 pips or 5 pips here. But let's wait to come back. GG is coming down. That 3 hour If it comes back down to that zone again, that's another buy entry for GJ. Let's see if we get this gold.
I had to close my GJ trade earlier because I was tired of looking out for it. I moved my initial entry to break even point, and it just closed out.
Oh,
Then I entered again. Then yeah, it was in profit. So I just closed it immediately. It was significantly in profit. I knew that wasn't going to, had a feeling wasn't going to continue going up and was going to range for some time.
okay.
Which it did. And so it's coming down now, right?
Yeah, it's coming down, but it's respecting the 3 hour 8 moving average. And let's see, it may break it, go down, and then start to reject it.
Just frustrating.
Oh yeah, you got to be very disciplined, and you have to wait, you know.
I'd love to enter again when it comes to that point.
Yeah, if it comes back to that zone, we see how it goes there, and we may enter again for sales. But for now, let's see how we can get.
You mean
this.
for buys?
I am still in runner. Yeah, I have still runner on buys on GJ.
No, what I'm saying, if it comes back to that zone, then it's going to be for buy, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think Wilson has the phone running. Come on, GJ, don't play with us. Let me get a clean touch on that 8 moving average, because that's what usually does. After closing back above, it comes back to retest it, and even sometimes it break it. But that's why I don't want to enter now, because I have seen how it touched that zone moving average. Is it 5-minute open? Yeah, it's going to retest this 8 moving average, or even not, and come back up. You in sales, Najim, on gold? Not yet. Waiting waiting for this moving average on 1 hour to get touched. Stupid gold. Stupid gold is making it hard for us today. Like, I did miss trades like this. Trust me, like by 1 pip, 2 pip, and it goes all the way in my direction. But I just want to wait for like what I see happening the most, you know. Come on. If I enter now for sales, it's gonna come back up. That's always what's happened happening to me. So I'm just have to wait. It's like a magnet, that moving average. Come on. There you go. I'm in. I'm in right there. Let me see my entry here. 1865. 1865, 38. That's my entry on the top, which is even better. Now, gonna make sure that secure 10 pips.
So what's the stop loss? Sorry. Is it,
Stop loss, it's up at 1867, 389. I don't give the full stop, right? Let's say if this 1 hour close back above this moving average, just above my entry, I'm exiting the trade.
okay.
And if it starts to push straight crazy, which usually does not at this time, I will just cut it. Like if I don't feel like confident, like with the trade or something, you know?
Yeah, so this is sell.
What you said?
Actually, this is sell.
Yeah, I am in.
Yeah.
I'm in
Yeah.
sales.
You entered sales at 1865, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
We are going to eat. If gold wants to, if gold wants to, we are going to have a good dinner for gold today. Give me 10 pips. Let me see 5 minute. 5 minute looking good. Hopefully this 5 minute close back below this 8. Otherwise it's going to be ranging in between them like it does in the high time frame over here. See that? Range between 8 and 50. But we want it to close below. Which is also we have a 50 move a 15 8 moving average and 1 hour there. Let's see.
Yeah.
It is going up, gold should go down. We didn't have any loss today, so don't give us a loss, gold. Don't give us. coming to that.
Stop loss is at 67 something, right?
1867, yeah, 389.
Yeah, okay. But you will hold it till then, or you
Mm.
will close it if it moves in the opposite?
If this 1 hour managed to just close above moving average somewhere around here, like maybe like 5-6 pips,
Yeah.
I would close it
Yeah,
right
because
here.
it's a risky trade, isn't it? Going against this.
You're scared of that?
No, I'm saying this is actually the main trend is bullish.
Yeah.
So that stop loss should be very tight, or we should close it if it goes against, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if I see it like pushing straight up, I will cut it like maybe at 10
Yeah.
pips.
10 pips or
Right.
something. Mhm.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the rule, I think.
Yeah.
When we go contra trend, we should be
Yes.
careful. Yeah.
I try to not give the full stop loss. Like, I
Yeah,
try
managing
to.
the, what do you call it? Managing dynamic risk. Isn't it?
Mhm. I always try to cut it. This is where the like psychology and the emotions get involved when you have or when you
Yes.
are in drawdown. But it's
Yeah,
fine,
yeah.
Trading, it's not about just winning. Like you got to know that if you see everything you see to take a trade and then you took a loss, you had nothing to do. You just had to accept that loss
Yeah,
and come back tomorrow and do it again.
that's true. That's true. But many times we are too shy to close a losing drawdown.
That's the thing. Like you have to
Yeah.
close. Like
Yeah.
if you lose $50 now, it's better to lose like $200. Like $50 is it's easy to recover.
But our psychology is to hold on to a loss and to close a gain before it runs. Huh?
Yeah, it's holding the runner,
The
the
fear, actually, the fear, FOMO.
holding the drawdown and hoping for the trades to come in your direction. That's trading based on hope. That's not good. No. As soon as you know when to get out of the trade, you're fine. You're good. Let it give it time, a little bit of time to play out, and then
Your blood pressure goes down.
I guess the key at the end of the day is the risk that one is undertaking. Because I mean, if the lot size is a lot, and then you'll be quite a bit apprehensive. But if it's not a lot, if it's reasonable, I mean,
exactly. That's what I
and
say. Don't over risk. Be real with your capital you have. Be real. Like just don't over risk. Don't blow your account in one trade.
I've seen that happen to me again and again. I'm more relaxed when I'm being reasonable with my risk level, and when I'm not,
yeah.
fancy.
If you have $100 accounts and you take 1 cent lot size and you secure $3-4 a day for 1 month, if you can do that for $100 account, you got this. You can do it in a big capital, like big accounts, right? Because it's always like about consistency and just secure profit. That's it. Here you go. 10 pips coming. 10 pips coming. 10 pips coming. Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, just a little bit more.
You talked and then you go back. No, it's coming.
Yeah,
It's
maybe
coming.
I should.
Has
Sure.
it
Shut
has
up,
to
man.
come. It has to come back to that 10 pips. That's my this line here is there you go. I mean, if like you
Very
secure,
nice.
secure,
Very
secure,
nice.
secure, secure, secure. I'm securing
Come on, little
85.
bit more. Little bit more. Come on. Okay. I just close it.
Man, you know what I did?
What?
Fucked up.
Did
I
you
closed.
close
I
everything?
fucking closed 4th position. Yeah,
Fuck.
Oh,
it's fine. I still have runner from here, but it is what it is. You guys hold runner and put your stop at B. It is what it is. I was gonna look. Stupid gold. It's Adrian. TP is about to say hi.
Yeah, it's your trademark. TP is about to
Najim,
say.
you're the man, brother.
Jim.
No problem,
Najim,
guys.
you are the king, man.
Enjoy, guys. Here you go.
Send me your address. Like I'm going to send you champagne or something.
Oh my god. Send me whiskey. That's what I like.
Whiskey, yeah. Whatever if you like, man. Whatever you like.
Secure and like secure if you got 20 pips, secure every 10 pips. That's what I do usually. And then I end with a small runner and then I just let it go. Nice one.
How many pips it's drop? Like I can't
Right.
see in my I'm in the phone right now.
It dropped like
Shit.
16 pips.
16 pips. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So hey man.
Everyone got it?
It's just
Yes,
beautiful feeling, yeah. It's just beautiful.
Yes, got it. Everyone secured 10 pips.
Yep, yep.
We have no loss today, called 4 trades. Actually,
You
since I
got
got
like 50
this,
pips.
since I started this channel, I think I don't know, I didn't call any loss like at all, I think. Right, Koray? You're the
Yeah.
first one
Yeah,
with me here.
I'm the first one. Yeah, man. I didn't like only I guess 2 days ago we made a drawdown, but
Mhm.
like after that you just open another buy position
And then
and
he
then
flied
we
up.
just secure it, like we just secured everything and then we didn't make any losses. So yeah,
Yeah,
I guess we didn't make any
nice.
losses till now.
That's great, Najim.
You got it, Saji?
Yeah, I closed it with 8 pips.
That's profit. That's good.
What about you?
Oh,
You got 10?
I closed it like 10, 4 position by accident.
Okay, okay. But do you mean it could have been better to keep it?
Yeah, I was gonna close 80% and leave a runner. That's what I do
Yeah,
always.
yeah. You know, mine was a test small position, so I didn't want to close, like I closed it. A small position. I could have kept it.
It's fine, man. No, trade is trade.
No.
Profit is profit.
You're
Guys,
not
put stop.
re-entering? You don't
put
want to
stop
re-enter?
No, I will wait for buys now here.
No,
Just
better
put
to
stop
go
at
for
B for the ones who have a runner.
Mhm.
And let's see. Hopefully it doesn't come back. So, like usually it does come back, but you don't want to give that profit back because
Najim,
yeah.
why do you have to secure very early? I mean, especially when you could see that this is where this is heading. You know, instead of so for instance, you have probably one lot size, for instance, and
Mhm.
you want to secure early, probably you take 50% off, and you know, I'm just
So
wondering.
the reason why I secure 80%, right? I do secure 80%. I leave a runner and I hold my runner even if the price comes back to here, and I still have hold my runner. And if it goes in the drawdown, I still end in profit, right? The reason why I hold my runner if it comes back to that zone, because I have to see confirmation to close that runner. If this 1 hour, let's say 1 hour close back above, like explained early, that's when I close my runner. But as soon as we are below this zone, I hold that runner.
Okay.
Right. So I always secure at 10 pips to put money aside, you know, and then just leave a runner. That runner, when it goes in your direction, gives you more than profit. You secured it first.
Mm.
Hopefully it keeps going, because this 30 minutes 8 moving average here, like I said early, it does a range in between them until we break below and close below. Also, this 2 hour 8 moving average there, 3 hour and 4 hour. So securing is a good thing. If you do it, like if you have like doing a challenge, securing 10 pips like that, you're gonna pass it. You're gonna pass it very quick.
Mm.
Yeah, maybe I was like, you know, maybe I should go with the $200,000.
200.
$200,000 with challenge, you know.
I would take the 100K. I don't know when, but this maybe this week or next week, and I'm
Yeah,
gonna
man.
try to pass it and see what happens.
Yeah, you should, man. You should.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're taking buys from
From here
16,
down
right?
here. Let me see what's in down here. We have that 4 hour. Let me see if it comes back down here to this 50 on the 2 hour. We take buys from there, and then we manage if we close the 1 hour or 2 hour below this zone and below the 50, we get out. See that we close back below here. Always comes back. Sometimes it does come back all the way up here, makes that top wick and then continue down. See here, close back above, comes to that 50 moving average, and then continue. That was a buy actually there. I was asleep. We have 4 hour closing above the weekly, and then we go to lower time frame to look to where the moving average is at. We have 8 and 50 here on the 1 hour. We have 50 here in the 2 hour. So that was a buy there. Also on the 3 hour it comes to that moving average after closing back above. So that's why I took it from the moving average here, because that's what it does. Right? This would be a buy for me, at least from here, from this 50 on the 2 hour time frame right here. But I was asleep. And as you can see, never closed back below that yellow zone. Don't look at this one. This one doesn't matter. Just this is what it matters. This is the zone. Never closed back below it, right? Close back above here. Never closed back below until this one here. And that's what it does. But that's didn't got it. It was asleep. All right, let's yeah, let's see if this 3 hour turns bearish.
So like if the 1 hour candle close above that area, you're gonna close your run, right?
Yes, that's the rule.
That's the rule. All right.
Yeah, if like let's say I close the runner here and then price comes back in my direction, I don't care. You have to have a rule and follow it, no matter what happens after it.
Yeah. By the way, GJ is pushing again.
Yeah, GJ is I'm looking at the other screen here. GJ is rejecting here this daily.
Yeah.
We want to wait or close above or comes back to here. So now it's just ranging in between them, and we don't want to take sells because there's no sales confirmation. Price is bullish. 6 hour 8 moving average and 50 are changing for buys at that exact zone, right? 4 hour already changed the price above the moving average and above the weekly and the 3-month resistance. So we don't want to go against the trade there, right? The trend. Yeah. DJ, nothing for now. We have to wait. And hopefully this comes straight down here. Who is holding runner? Anyone holding runner?
Yeah,
No.
man.
Nice.
Taking me out. I mean, I moved it to BE and it took me out.
Oh,
Yeah.
you probably you have a high spread, right?
Yeah,
Probably.
I got my lessons, man. I'm not going to close my runner.
The reason why I say like put stop at B because I don't want you guys to give that profit back.
Yeah,
Right.
I mean, it came back to my BE and took it out. So
Where was your entry down here? Because it didn't come all the way up, right?
yeah, my entry was
Here.
1865.
1865 over here. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it came back to 1865.
Yeah, it did.
I moved it I moved my stop loss to 1865.
Okay. It's fine, man. Like you secured profits, so that's good.
Yeah, sure.
All right, let's 20 pips is already almost 20 pips now. Where is Isaac? Isaac is he here?
Yeah, I'm here. What's up, man?
Did you got it?
Yeah, man, I got it, dude.
Awesome.
I got exactly 10. I was just excited. I forgot to leave a runner too. I just hit it. I was like, man, because you've been on point all night. So I was like, wow.
It's okay, man. I closed 4-2, so that's fine. We made
So I'm the only
good.
lucky one, eh?
How much?
Is it? Like I'm the only one who got who still have a runner.
Johnson.
I guess.
Johnson has
Johnson and
runner, and I don't know who else. Where is VT?
Yeah,
She's not here. VT, she's not here.
You didn't move your stop loss to BE, right? You did.
He's asking you, Korai.
sorry, what was again?
I said you didn't move your stop loss to break even, right? To your entry.
No, man, no.
Okay.
Because
Yeah,
like whole week with the Najim, whole week, like I guess this is the second week or something. Like whole week, when I just close my partial, I always put the stop at BE, but always losing in time, like always closing. But when I just see the Najim, like all the time, he's running, always eating. And I was like, you know what? Like I'm going to secure 80 or 90% and leaving a runner. And if the candle close above or below, I will close it. So, yeah.
He's doing like me, but
Yeah, I'm just trying, man. I'm just trying. Not
yeah,
like
man.
you know.
No,
Well,
I mean like you
you're
live
at
in
a
the
different
runner.
level. Yeah.
We all learning here, so you know.
Mm.
Yeah, that's the rule I have for my runner. So I live small runner, so I close 80%, right? And if runner like I hold it because I know sometimes it comes back to that zone again in the lower time frame 5, 15, and then turns back down here. But if this 1 hour close above this daily or even above this moving average, that's an exit for me. I closed that runner. I said, okay, now there is no chance to leave it. So it's coming up to this 8 moving average on the 30-minute. That's what it does, as I said before, right? Range between them. So it's coming to that. We don't want it to come back there, but it may come back up there.
Najim, the stocks in the box is the one, is that no, for SMA?
Yes, that one is the 50.
Okay. You mean that there are a lot of numbers in that, but you need to choose only 50, right?
Let me show you settings, right?
If you can show the setting, I will set it up
Yeah,
if you're free.
just one moment. So, oh,
If you're busy, I can wait. No problem.
this one is the smooth. You have this smooth movie 50, right? You're talking about. Let's see.
Yeah, that
You
is
have you're gonna
50. Yeah, all
Yeah.
those numbers, right? Okay.
yeah. So uncheck all of them.
All
Leave
of them, huh?
only number one here.
Only number
Right.
one. Okay.
Yes.
Where is this?
Just type.
This one is this simply moving average, the 50
Okay.
right here. Take a screenshot of this and find it. It will give you guys the settings. Just let me know. So you go, Sergio, you go to this, uncheck them
Okay.
all. Just leave the number one.
Put only the
Then
number one. Yeah. Okay. And the
And
color
the
is.
colors you can change. I don't really look at the
But
colors.
why do they give two colors? Why do they give two colors?
Because this it shows you when it's above the press, and this is when it's below. It shows you green
Oh,
for
okay. So that's
buys,
the
but
reason.
I don't look at that, so don't follow that.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So I go to inputs, put
Okay.
50 here and number one, and also we have another
Input,
number one
yeah,
here. Put
50.
close.
Okay. Wait a minute. Just enter the 50 and then close. That's it. Nothing else, huh? No other
That's
change.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So you get 50 in this. That's perfect. Okay. Why not choose 8 also in this?
The eight, the
Yeah.
eight is simple, just 8 and close.
I mean, no need to use this for 8 and 50 together in one indicator.
No, I mean, it probably could work, but I use them differently.
Better to. Okay, for
Yeah.
8, which one is it? SMMA, huh?
This one, you look for smooth moving average.
Smooth moving. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I go for smooth. Okay.
Yes. That was a good 20 pips there.
Yeah, that was spot on. I mean, I even liked how you said that. Wait till the 8 EMA touches, and then Matt did exactly what you said.
But
Yeah.
it tells, excuse me, Najim,
Yes.
by default, it is showing 7, right? 7, you need to make it 8, isn't it?
Yes. Change it to 8.
Okay. No other change, right?
Yeah. 8 and close.
Close. Okay.
Yeah.
Gaps, tick. Yes. Visibility, all hours. Okay. Okay, perfect.
It's pushing, huh?
Mhm.
It's gonna come back probably for me. Like prices overall is bullish, like I said, right? But comes back to that 8, like I said. Now we make reject that and push down.
Did you make the buy entry now?
No. I
Because-
closed my 4 position now. Just gotta wait.
Yeah, I was waiting for 61. If you get it, it was a buy actually, you know,
Yeah, down here.
down here. at
But
the-
which probably is
squeeze
gonna
down.
make it. But if we have like let me see. Let me remove this actually, because or wait, I'm gonna so this is a 3-hour still open, right? If this 3-hour close back above like this, still has 2 hours. So we have, if this close back above like this, we're gonna be looking for buys above it again once we come back to that moving average from the top and take it up. Right. And if this 2-hour 8 comes closer to that zone, that's even much better because it's stronger, even stronger.
So for us to take a buy, we would need to there will be a sell first, meaning prices will go all the way down before going up, right?
If price now like starts to reject and come back down here,
Mhm.
we're gonna be looking for buys, right? But
When it
if
gets
this,
down.
yeah, if it goes down, but if this 3-hour ends closing back above the daily again, like this one here, right? We're gonna be looking for buys from this zone daily.
Okay, going up.
Yeah, going up.
Okay. I'm still trying to figure out your
Yeah,
trading.
yeah, you're gonna see that video I'm gonna put on YouTube. And
Yeah, Najim, you do a good job explaining it too, man. So I mean, you go slow and actually, hey,
yeah,
this goes here. This is why this is this, and this is why this is that. This is what I'm looking for. So yeah,
yeah,
you guys will. Yeah. If you didn't catch it in the beginning, man, you'll really
that's
you
why
really
I said
understand what
like
we're talking about.
the first touch is very good because it gets you 10, 20 pips very quick, right? But when it comes back to that zone again, is a chance to close above or is going to reject again. So that's why said the first touch is better. Overall, price is bullish. That's why I call the risky trade here already too.
Happy വന്നില്ലല്ലോ. Waiting. Waiting.
Let me add this guy here. Korai, close your runner. He
I'm
closed
still
Korai.
holding, man.
Really?
Yeah, like I just closed the half, but rest of them is going to hit the stop loss. That's all right. I just want to see like how it's gonna close, But do you
Yeah.
think it's push hard
So
so badly?
let's say probably not. But if this 1 hour, you have time, because 15 minutes still it's still bearish. So it may come back to this zone again in the 5 minutes, and it may 1 hour close back above here. That's where you get out, because next 1 hour is going to come back retest that 8 moving average also. So that's your exit.
Yeah.
Hey Najim, do you use MetaTrader 4?
Yes.
Is there a way to add more times, like the 3-hour or anything like that on there?
I have no idea. Let me see what time frame I have here actually. I have 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. I don't. I have never tried to add any 3 hour. I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't think there's a way to add this 3 hour. I think.
So everybody here do they have magic keys? That's
I
what you use, right?
I don't have magic keys.
No. How do you close half?
What is the use of magic keys actually?
You do know how to close half in your MetaTrader?
Yeah, you can do that in MT4.
Yeah, MT4.
Oh, you
Just
press.
just go and change the volume.
Go to let me explain it. Go to like you're going to close the trade, right? And then go up where you have the lot size.
Yeah.
Okay.
Change those numbers, and you're going to see down there if you have one lot, you put it at 50 cents, you're going to have the amount of closing down where it shows you the price, and then press close and declose
Can you
only
attach
20.
files?
What'd you say?
Can you attach files to here?
I can't hear you. What you said?
Can you attach files?
Attach files or to here onto the group.
Yeah.
You want to see how like how I do it?
No,
Or
no, no,
how?
no. I was gonna share this this deal that I bought this deal from MQL 5.
Yeah.
And it has like a little platform. I mean, if you show your screen, I can, what do you call it?
Oh, you can, yes, send me. You want to send me something here on the chat? That's what you mean?
Yeah, yeah, for
Yeah,
for guys, yeah. I'll show you.
yeah,
Can I share your screen?
yeah.
I'll show you.
Let me see. Which you did, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you a host and then give it to me back, okay? Don't sell it.
All right.
Let me give that.
All
All right.
right. So
You're a host now.
Najim, don't hijack it, right?
no, don't hijack. So you see that?
We don't see anything yet. You have to put your screen. You have to share your screen first.
Disable participant screen sharing. Just trying to figure it out.
Nothing yet.
Najim, I have a question.
Yes.
Don't you think 67 is a better resistance than 64? Because 1867 is also a good resistance, isn't it?
This one here?
Yeah. 67. No, 70 of course is the high, but I'm saying about 1867.
18.
Because the price was respecting that, 1867.
Oh, what above here? That's
No,
over here.
no, below that. 1867.
Below
that.
1867.
1867, yeah, 1867.
Over here?
Yep. Something like that, yeah. That because that level was respected many places, you see.
Yeah, but I don't see like it's not.
So you don't consider 64 is better, you mean?
Yeah, I don't do 4 hour like time frame.
Yeah. No,
Uh,
actually, I was seeing it in 15 minutes.
yeah, I don't draw my lines and
Better to draw it on a higher time frame, huh? Is it?
yes.
Yeah, it said that host disabled participant screen sharing.
You can share your screen?
No, it said that you disabled it, or host disabled participant screen share.
Oh, you are a host, so how you cannot, like, I don't know how to use this. Let me see. Guys, can you guys mute your microphone because we're recording this and you guys have people talking in the back. Saji, can you mute yourself, please? Thank you. You said you can't share your screen. Let me see if I can share mine now. You still host. If you give it to me back, I don't know how to take it back. Can you give me that and then I will find out. Go to my name.
Najim?
And then go to more. And then look for my name and host. Put as a host.
It just gives me pin. That's it.
Okay, wait.
I go to your name. And then it says more and pin.
That's it.
That's it.
Any mix on. Yeah. Let me see if I can take it back.
You can take it back, Najim. Then after that, you need to do only make him co-host. Then give the permission to share the screen. Then he can do it on.
Oh, okay. How do you know how to take it back or not?
Yeah, under your name, you click it. There is an option. Okay, put back as a put back in admin or something like that.
Oh, redeem host. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yes,
your host.
thank you.
Then make him as a co-host and allow him to share the screen.
Where that is at? Let me see. Okay. Ask to start video. No.
No.
More. Hide the names, announcement, and float meeting control, share sounds. Where do you know? I don't see it here. Wait, multiple participant can share. Okay, let me see this advanced sharing option. I think now you can share. I think so. Oh, it's pushing, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
If not, just send that what you want to send on the group here.
all right. Can you see it?
I don't see anything.
Nothing. Let me see.
Good push.
Yeah, it's pushing. Wow, crazy.
Recording in progress.
Do y'all see anything?
Not yet.
Might take out the Asian high maybe.
What do you want to
Yeah.
show us? What is that?
It's like magic keys where you can what do you call it? You can do like break even. It has the button shortcuts.
Oh,
Break even. You can do it automatically does your size of your lots. And like you have markup and stuff and all that stuff on it.
well,
But
is
it's
it
expensive, right? How much does it cost?
Like $125 on
is it that magic keys?
no, it's called a super seed. It might be,
Oh.
I think it's better than or no, star seed.
But there is a online version of the magic keys if you want. Like it costs you only $30
Okay.
really?
if you want to have it. Yeah. You don't need to pay $120.
But tell me, what does it do actually?
It okay, so it has the like you can close partial. You set the amount that you want to shut down. It has a pending buys, sell order. You has a break even. You can draw, and it shows you like your drawdown. It shows everything that on a little screen on a little panel in the corner of your MT4.
And the online version is as good as the physical one.
I don't know. I don't have the magic keys. This is before I had this before I got into Raja's group.
Okay, Raja's product, right? Yeah,
No, this is not Raja's product.
it's not Raja's. Okay.
Let's see, you are sharing.
Hello.
ஓமஜி
சொல்லுங்க bro, என்ன நடந்தது?
என்னடா நார்மலா ஆளுக்கு நெஞ்சு நோய் வந்துருக்கு. அவன் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போனவன்.
எங்க இருக்கீங்க? எங்க இருக்கீங்க?
ஓமஜி
எங்க இருக்கீங்க?
லண்டன்.
Okay.
Well, is flying. What's going on with gold? Yeah, like I said, it was
I'm
very
sorry,
risky.
Najim.
At least it give us 20 pips. That's why I said like put stop at B, because this is foolish direction. So when we wait for the price to come us here, like the thing, we don't know if it's gonna come back here or it's gonna push and break above and close above another zone like this one here, right? So that's why it was like risky trade, but he did give us at least 20 pips.
Not bad. At least we got, I got 8 pips.
Yeah, let's see. Respecting industry and the 4 hour after closing back above here. Wow. Awesome. So let's see GJ. GJ is just ranging over there in this zone here, so there's nothing on GJ right now. What is US theory doing?
So the next,
Oh, US theory is about, it's a
so,
dead zone when where paper trade. This is just a paper trade.
Hey, send me your email in the chat, and now what do you call it? I'll send it to you. I'll send you the file.
Who is talking? Isaac?
It's like, yeah.
oh,
My email you said?
Yeah, if you
Oh,
send me your
okay.
email, I can send it to you.
Okay, let me see. For the magic keys.
Yeah, it's kind of like that. You can take a look at it. I think to me, it sounds better than the magic keys, but
Send it to you on I send it to you on Instagram.
okay, that'll work. All right, let's see.
So this was a paper trade that I called, like, this is just a paper trade on US theory. I explained early, right? And let me see. Okay. Already 11 pips. This is 11 pips, right? That because it confuses me how it counts. I think it is 11 pips, or like, yeah, right?
Yeah. Yep. It's 11.
All right. 100 lots already secured. Raja, that's what Raja does. Like, quick, 10 pips, 11 pips, 100 lots, it's done. So basically, this trade, as explained earlier, we have a daily closing back below this zone here, which is a daily support. This previous daily closed below that zone. And then we go to lower time frame. We have that moving average, which he did close above the moving average, but not above the zone. So it still plays out. And that is rejecting that zone and push down. CGJ. GJ's coming, just ranging over here. GJ, I'm seeing it like it's gonna fly. Just watch. If it doesn't come back here again, it's gonna fly. But we have to see a close above this zone here. Because
Okay, I sent it to you, Raja.
all right. Let me check out. Oh, it said unable to preview file. Why? Okay, I'm done with, okay, now problems. Let's see. Can't open. It says I can't. It's like,
For real?
yeah, I don't know why. Maybe just for computers. Oh, let me
Oh, you
update
gotta put it
this.
in your MT4
Let me see.
and put it under experts.
We have to open it first. But what is called ads. So, oh, London open. London open to our candle. To our moving average at that daily. Yeah, that's a buy from here if you guys, if price comes back to this zone here.
It's going down again.
Yeah, if it comes back to that zone, to that 8 moving average on the 2 hour, we're gonna take buys here, right? Because overall price, let me see 5 minutes. 5 minute changed for buys here is gonna come back to retest this moving average in the 5 minute and probably touch this zone also. So we're gonna be looking for buys in the 2 hour because that's what's exactly at that zone. We're gonna eat anyways.
What were you talking about? Raja? That's how he makes his his money. What?
I was like, Raja, this trade they called early here, 11 pips pushed from the entry with 100 lots. It's already done for the day. Yeah,
No, that's crazy. 100 lots. Damn.
yeah, he used 100 lot, 150. Just last night, I said last night, last year he was using like 5 lots, 4 lots. Now 150 lots.
I know. He showed his screen yesterday, and
Yeah,
no, this morning. He showed it this morning, and I was like, damn, that was crazy.
yeah,
100 lot, 100. He had 120 lot, and then
yeah, man.
some 5 and 10 lots. I was like, damn.
Slowly we get it. We're gonna get there.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm not even at 1 lot yet.
Gonna take time. I remember Raja was saying like he used to take like $10 a day, $20, and he's done. Yeah, well, now look how far he is now.
Yeah.
You can't skip number 1 and jump to number 20. You have to go through them all,
Yeah.
to get where he is right now.
Well, the deal that I sent you, right? It
What?
inside that file that I sent you, if you put it in your, it has a risk management thing. So it has like, say, whatever you want to risk. Say you want to risk $25 on a
You
trade
get-
or $10
Oh,
on a trade.
it,
When you put it in there, and then you
Mhm.
press, sell now or buy now or whatever, and
Yeah.
it automatically calculates your stop loss and puts your how many
at the $20, $25 stop loss, and
right,
that's
and
it.
that's all you'll lose.
Oh, that's a good thing to have.
Yeah. So so if you do lose, right? So even if you're like say this 2-hour candle right here, right? Say you get in right now,
Mhm.
and you put your risk is 20 bucks, right? It'll put you can tell it to put it right here at the break of the last higher low or
Yeah.
higher high, and then it calculates that and puts your lot size in for you already. So your max loss is your 20 bucks.
Wow. I
Yeah.
will try it and see how it works. So I have to use it here in like my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it would be on your MetaTrader 4.
Have a
Oh,
link to it?
I
Do
see.
you have the link to it?
Yeah. Let me see if I can. MQ05.
Oh, you
It's in
send
the
it here.
chat.
Let me see if I can open it here. Okay. It says empty. Is it
It's right here.
MK5?
Yeah.
So I have to I have to buy it, right?
Right. You have to buy it. So like if you go to overview,
Overview, where is that?
right here by the down right here, it has like comments, reviews, overview. Keep going up.
Up or down? Oh, up, down here.
No, up towards the top of the page, like right here. Yeah. Comments, keep going to the left. Right there,
Overview here.
overview. Yeah.
Okay. This is how it works. Where's the link to buy?
Keep going up right here on the side
Over here?
where it says buy.
125, right? Is this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Free demo? What does this mean?
So like you can, I guess it's a free demo. It doesn't give you all access to everything, but
Oh,
if you click on where it has ready use drawings for easy analysis, right here in the middle of the page, click on the arrows on the side. Down.
this one?
No, down.
This one? Watch this video?
You can watch it. It explains it real quick. It's not real long.
Hello, this is Anne. In this video, I'm going to show in trading.
Do you guys hear
It's
it?
an online version only, right? It's nothing like a calculator, like a magic key is a calculator kind of thing
Yeah.
Yeah.
with buttons.
Yeah. It shows you in here. In the video.
Do you guys hear the sound of the video?
Not it.
No?
Yes, we can. But fine.
Yeah, but okay, you share. Can you did you share the same link in the chat, right?
Yeah, he sent you the link there, yeah.
Okay, all right. 120 is a bit high, huh? But I think it has got some features like drawing tools, or I don't know what all. Typically, this kind of magic keys, the price is around $20-$30.
$20?
Yeah, something like that.
This one is
the soft version, the online version.
This one is 125 that I see here.
But I think it has a lot of other features like Fibonacci and blah blah. You know.
Oh, okay.
And I think it as a drawing tool, I don't know what it does, but have you used it, man?
I have.
How do you find it useful?
He's like he used it. I think.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna finish it later and see what we can do about it. GG, just ranging. Yeah, probably is waiting for the 4-hour close back above here. There's nothing going on GJ right now.
Yeah, if you forward it to 7 minutes, it explains what's all in there.
Let's see. What is that link opened? I think is this one here. 7 minute.
7 minutes, yeah. Right there.
At risk. That's just that.
Equity compounding 1,000. So this is my base. So right now here in the demo account, the capital is 10,000. So when I enter a trade, meaning if I hit a stop loss, it will be no more than $50, right? Because it's 10 times of 1,000, meaning it will be 10 times of the dollar amount here, right? And here the risk reward is 5 because that is the minimum amount I always aim using the order block. But let's see how it works, okay? So now this is Ethereum, okay? Let's say I want to put the pending sell over here in the same area, okay? Now take a look. I click pending sell and I adjust my stop loss, and then I put where I want the price to start selling. This is not exactly a strategy. I'm just doing it for the sake of example to show you how I manage my risk. Okay, now I click send order. Okay, now if you see, this is already 1 to 5 because I set it up risk report 5.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. I just want to show it to you. Take a look at this.
Sit, stop loss, TP, everything.
Profit minus 50 because I tell the software that I am willing to lose only $50. Okay. Now the lot size. Let me see what's the lot size. 0.56. Right? So now, for example, what about if I put the stop loss here and I want to start selling here? All right, the same level with different stop loss. and click extend order. Now, here it's become, I think, 86.
So you have to use this like you're going to have to be like taking trades on the computer, right?
Yeah. This is for the computer.
Okay, I see.
I think it is pretty similar to something which I have. It's a beta 1 being tested by my friend. I will share the file in the group.
Okay.
And it's free, huh?
Okay, share it with us.
Because it's a beta 1, because it's still under testing. So, but it has similar feature, but no Fibonacci, no drawing tools, but
yeah, I need only this, like the stop.
Yeah, you can close at break even, you can close half, or you can change to break even and stuff like that. Yeah, and it will show you the number of pips. I will send you the file in the group. Huh?
Okay, sounds good.
It's a soft one, huh? Because honestly, this on I don't know, 120 maybe it's too high for this.
Yeah, we don't need all that stuff. I need only this.
Yeah. But let's try the demo one and see how it is. And I will send you this free one and see which is I mean, what can be added. Because my friend who is developing it, he is saying, since it is beta testing, if anybody has a feedback, he will add those features. He's a IT guy. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Sounds good.
So let's see. 10x or 10x, huh?
You guys see the screen or not?
No, would you see the
video?
The video.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
The market is still closed, but you will see, like if I go, for example, to M5, that's why if I want to snipe, for example, let's say this is my order block, okay?
The audio was good, but now it's gone.
Oh, really?
And here, so I want to snipe.
Do you guys hear it?
Okay,
Barely.
I'm not talking about the strategy here. I just want to show it to you how it works in terms of money management. And then I decided here, click.
Here, now we can hear.
One to five is almost like 250, right? In this case, 249. Now take a look. The size before it was 0.56. Now because I'm going to lower time frame, so obviously
now you can get it.
But if it lose or if it's against me, it doesn't matter. It will still end up $50. So this is the way how you will want to manage your risk per trade. Know ahead of time how much are you going to lose. Okay, so regardless you're using the same tool like me or not, it doesn't matter. But the most important thing is to know how to manage your risk in trading. All right. So as much as I want to share this tool with you for free, but this is not belong to me. So this is belong to my husband. And the fact I know that he spent almost $9,000 for over 5 years to keep upgrading the software. So if you want to get this tool, you can go ahead to the website here. Oh, she put the rent here. Yeah, you can try this like for 3 months for $30. You tried it if you really want to start managing your risk the right way. Like if you already have another money management tool, you go ahead and use it. I just want to show it to you the right way how to manage risk for your trading. Right? So I think that is all for now.
Send me that Sergi later and see how that works. Let me see. You guys hear me now, right?
Yeah, we hear you.
Oh, let me see. Let me change this.
I will send it. You can try it on a demo and see how it works and give the feedback, because my friend is testing it. He's the developer, and so he's offering it free now.
Okay, let's see.
For feedback and to add more features maybe. Yeah.
And see how it works. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I'll send it.
Thank you, Sergi. Let's see if we get that push down. It's already 3:30 already. Wow. 3:21, 22. GG's. Really having hard time to that zone, huh?
What's that?
TG is having hard time at that daily to break it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, look how many times it touched this 3-month here. Resistance.
Yeah, like 5, 6 times. More than
One,
that.
two.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, so this is the same zone, and that's probably gonna touch again. Already touched here 3 times already. Now once like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Like 12.
Yeah. I mean, I talk about like resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Yeah, I touched it many times. Let's see what happened over here. It's the same zone here. See that?
I
Same
see
zone.
I just see the video screen.
Oh, sorry guys.
Very good.
Over here, touched 2 times resistance. The resistance pushed up, closed above that daily here. Which
Yeah.
that's what we wanted, but now it touched here, and 1, 3. Over when we broke down here, touched 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 times before pushing all the way down here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come back up down here again, because it's a higher time frame zone. It's a 3-month resistance, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's a 3-month resistance here. That's why lower time frame it keeps coming to that zone to touch multiple times. Are you close, Korai? I don't know if he's here. I think he left. He's here. Close to end the challenge.
Have you done that challenge?
I am thinking to do it. I did it like actually did an FTMO challenge like last year in January. Was like the worst month to trade, and I wasn't that good on trading, right? I didn't have this strategy yet. I passed the first, but the what it calls the
the first one.
Yeah, the first I passed it. The second one, what it calls the second phase, I messed it up. Whatever they did, it was like going against me. It was so frustrated, and I lost it. The challenge. I lost the challenge.
Well, you've been more consistent with this strategy now, right?
Yeah. Way much consistency. I used to hold 30, 40 pips drawdown.
Damn.
Because I didn't know where to get out. Like I didn't have the plan for the exit. That's why I always say before you enter the trade, make a plan for the exit before you enter in for buys or sells. Because if you don't have, oh wait, if you don't have a plan for the exit, you're just gonna be trading on based on hope, right?
Right.
That's why that's what I was doing, like holding drawdown and hoping for the trade to come in my direction. And sometimes it does comes to my entry, and they like I say, okay, give me some profits, and that was just a retest to keep going in the direction was before, and then it
Right.
goes back again. I was just, you know, just still getting this this strategy. I start to like find this strategy around the March, April.
Oh
At
wow.
first, yeah, at first I was like about all about moving averages. This is why I say, like, if it close, if it's in between, that's I was looking more at the moving averages than zones. I used to draw like 4 hour zones, 3 hour. Did not work that way. And when I find the higher time frame and I added this moving average strategy with it, it works very good. And
Yeah,
then I
yeah.
start again to see when it closed back below the zone and below the moving average, yeah, and all that stuff.
It's every trade. So
Yeah,
it's working.
yeah, so far so good. So far so good.
So what, you pulled 50, 40, 50 pips today?
Today I had at I called GJ buys 2 p.m. was 22 pips. Then I called what was it called? Because I had everything down here. Which one I called? I called 3 trades, 4 trades today. I called let me go back to Instagram, Telegram, see which trades I called. Yeah, so I called 22 pips in the morning, GG buys, and then it came back to that zone again, that same zone that I called. I secured like about 10 plus 10, about 20 pips, right? Even like it went all the way up to 30 pips here.
Damn.
20 pips, and then gold secured 10 pips, and it came all the way down to 54 pips. So and then 20 pips we got here, but I closed to the 10 pips. It's 20.
Well, man, like I was earlier, earlier like last week and this week I was like securing like 20, 30, 40 pips, right? But I was using a real little lot size, so I think I was using maybe what 10, 20 cents, 5
Oh,
cents
okay.
sometimes. But I was like, man, so I already started. I was like, well, so I started going up to the dollars. I was like,
Increase. So today I made like 106 pips in for call say trade called.
holy shit, that's good.
Yeah,
But it's all about consistency and not your win
Ex-
rate. Huh?
exactly. If you make 20 pips a day and you make it every day, that's all you need. That's all
You
you
just
need.
gotta put the right lot size in.
Yeah, don't over risk. Put be real with your capital you have, and then you're good. That way you're not going to blow your account.
Yeah. And that's why I like that that program that I showed you, because
Yeah,
you can put how much. Say I'm gonna lose $50. That's all, you know.
yeah, you put the right size risk you want to
Yeah,
risk.
that's
I'm
what you
gonna
want to risk.
try that and see.
I wish I could show you my screen so I could show you on the deal what I do. But
Oh, Let's see how this trade, if we can catch this, and then you can show us.
It's like it's coming down.
Yeah. 15.
Same way, touch it.
Yeah, 2 hour moving average. Right. Because this 1 hour is a little bit is like we're looking for buys. If this 1 hour was here, then I will wait for 1 hour, but it's above the zone, so I'm going to wait for one is closer to the zone and below it, like a little bit.
Nice.
Last week, not last week, like a couple of days ago, we have runners on gold, like made like a 425 pips on runners. I had 3 runners, and then when I woke up next day, they were stopped, 3 of them.
Wow.
But they were small runners. This is the stop. It got me here. This one here. This down here. That's where it stopped me. I had a runner from here, somewhere around here. I had another one exactly at this zone here.
Yeah.
So I had 3 and stopped 3 of them. It is what it is, you know. But
Yeah.
I was like, just I didn't care about them. Very small runners. So I said, if it stops, whatever. People are asking me to, because I used to do did a couple days stream on YouTube, that they asking, where are you?
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's close on the 1 hour.
Yeah, let it come to the zone.
Mhm.
1 hour is closing in 24 minutes. So that's a good thing. If we close back below here, that's our exit also.
You're taking it on the 1 hour or 2 hour?
2 hour, but
Yeah.
manage it in the 1 hour if you close back down here, because that's the one is about to close. Also, not 2 hours. 2 hours still far away. So the 1 hour is the one is about to close. Let it come back down. Gonna be looking for buys from this one here. Let me see 30 minute. Okay. So this 30-minute close back above the moving averages, which is a good thing. 5 minutes for buys. Yeah, we needed to push a little bit further down. Give us that. Another 20 pips or 10 pips, and then we go to sleep.
Yeah.
What time is it there, Isaac?
It's 2:30.
2:30. Oh, okay. It's earlier than here. It's 3:37 here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I was doing some work over there on that side of town. That side of the. I was a project manager for we were remodeling Vision Works.
What you said?
I said I was a project manager doing remodeling Vision Works and things like that for these buildings for the glass eye place.
Yeah.
So
You still working or you trading?
right now I'm working. I'm a buyer for Johnson Controls. So
I have no idea what that is. You said you told me that before.
You know you know those. It's a company that makes the air conditioners that's outside your house.
Oh, okay.
The central air.
Oh, you fix them or they make them?
No, that the company makes them.
Oh, okay. I see.
So and like you know for like the big old buildings and things like that for the air conditioner.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I'm just a buyer for one of their company. For one
You,
of the,
you
I said
okay.
Johnson Control makes batteries, right?
yeah, they make batteries too.
Yeah,
They're
because
for
I know
aerospace and things like that.
the AC Delco used to tie up with them. You know, I used to work for AC Delco. Their technology partners were Johnson Controls. They make
Yeah.
all the car parts and car stuff, electronics.
Yeah, yeah, they
car
do a whole
seats.
bunch of stuff.
And they are one of the best in battery making, car batteries.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yep. I haven't been working for them long, so but they gave me an opportunity to work at home, so I was like, yeah. I said I'll take
Oh,
it because of
that's
COVID and everything.
that's nice.
So that's why I got more into the trading, and I have more time to trade. So I was like, shoot,
yeah, why not?
yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
Awesome. I'm gonna go with a small lot size here. We don't want to give that previous profit back, you know.
Right.
There is 2 Jansons in here.
So so now your confidence has gotten up with the strategy that you're doing, but has your lot sizes increased?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. So,
Yes, my laptop. Okay, it's Jansen, no problem. Oh, you're putting yourself comfortable, right, Johnson? Okay, let me. This is 3 hour. The good thing we had 4 hours still above. Also 6 hour candle. See that?
yeah.
We have above there. So let's see if we get this price here. Let's see 30 minute. We also have 30 minutes 50 in there, which is a good thing. Yeah.
It's getting close.
Yeah. Let it touch it. They'll give it a good touch.
So do you reckon this one is risky a little bit?
It's bullish, so it could work. Just let it give a good touch to that 8-moving average. Come on, a little bit further. All right, I'm in there. $18.64, 28, 18.64, 28. 18.64, 28. All right. 18.64, 28. All right, that's my entry right there. Najim, do you think it can come to? Everything is possible. All we can do is manage the trade.
Yeah. Sorry.
18 to 56, 1862, 1862, 1862. Where is it? I mean, it's possible as soon as he gives us 10 pips, then if he wants to come back, we will come. All we can do is manage the trade, you know, because okay, it's another 30-minute here, 8 moving average, and but that's a lot. Let me see. What's in there, Wilson? You think that zone you said? Is any zone you see it there? Let me see 5 minute, 15 minute. It looks scary, huh?
Yeah, all bearish. It's okay if we give some profit back, you know, but there is a high chance to play out.
Yeah, I also lower my lot size
Yeah,
just in case.
that's good. Yeah. Just make sure secure at 10 pips and we're good. So 1 hour is about to close in 14 minutes. And if it does close back down here, that's how we can manage the trade. It should not close below this zone 1864, 896. Otherwise, we close the trade. Let me see 5 minutes. 5 minutes looking good. Make them back to this 50 here. See 15. Yeah, 30 minute. 30 minutes. There's a 15 there. That zone. 5 minutes. Let's see if this 5 minute rejects. Push, polish.
Do you trade the New York too?
Oh no, I can't stay all the way down to New York. It's too much. There's a good moves happening in there, but I wouldn't be focused. I would be very, very if I don't get a good sleep, I can't function. I get very, yeah.
7 pips right now.
Come on, gold. Give us. Let me put this so I can see where is the 10 pips at. I'd like to see the 5 minute. Come on, gold. You can do it.
I think it's going to go.
Yeah, it's going to smash that 10 pips.
Yeah, it's going up.
Yeah. 1 minute structure is looking good.
Yeah,
5 minutes
it's
is
bullish.
following.
As soon as we don't close back down there in 1 hour, we're good. Unless he goes crazy crash or something. Come on, gold. So it pushed all the way down, all red candles. You think it's not gonna give us a blue candle here?
Yeah.
Come on, don't play with us. At least 5 minutes blue candle.
Reaction on the 5 minutes. That way is looking good.
And also, when the moving average is far away, it goes back. Yeah, probably give it 10 pips and then call it a day. All we can do now is think about the exit. Once you are in a trade, focus on the exit because you don't want to hold any crazy drawdown.
What was your spread on gold right now, guys?
Let me see mine.
Mine's 117, 19.
Yeah.
Mine is 1 something.
Oh yeah.
Usually it's higher because they wanted to change this rocker. It was crazy like sometimes. Another 5-minute open. We make it a rejection again here. Hopefully not. Hopefully just give me that 10 pips. We can go to sleep.
It's ranging around here.
Yeah. GG is not doing anything, just staying there. There's no trade for me on GG. Like, I mean, just holding runner, but for now, it's just ranging like crazy. Yeah. It's 1 hour, 8 minutes. If it does close like that, we close the trade. Come on, there you go. Nice. Push a little bit further because you have a roam. Come on, gold. Because now I think 1 hour is trying to close back above. All right.
Yeah.
Shit. It did reject very quick. So if this 1 hour price wants to continue going up, this 1 hour is gonna try to close above. If it does close back down here, we close the trade, and yeah, that's it. Let me see on our 5 minute. Mhm. 5 minute close. An hour. Let's see if this 5 minute give us a miracle here, because
Could that be
sometimes
the
that's what it.
the reversal candle?
It's
The one in 1 minute.
1 minute.
The one before now. Could that be the reversal candle? I'm just wondering.
Sometimes it does that in the last 5 minute, pushed up, but it may close back below here. So we may want to close if it does close like this 1 hour. It's gonna push straight up now. Imagine.
Oh, no, it's just about 2 minutes.
1 hour does sometimes, like I said before, close back below, and like this one, next one. But we just have to manage this. As I said, it's still this 2 hours still can reject this and push up, but we don't want to.
I think that's pushing back.
Yeah, come on, close above. That's what it does when it does not want to close below. It pushed in the last 5 minutes, but hopefully close back above.
This is a 4 minute candle was.
5 minutes, yeah. He wants to scare us. Come on, gold. Do your thing, yeah. Come on. So let's see. There you go. This is what I mean. It wants to close back above. Hopefully that's what it's doing in the 1 hour of this yellow zone.
Look at the 1 minute.
1 minute looking good.
Yeah. Oh, 35,
Let's
40,
go.
4 pips, 4, 5.
Let's go.
5 pips. Come on. 5.
If we manage to close above, the next 1 hour is gonna come back to that 8 moving average on the 2 hour again, and then reject the zone again and push up.
You reckon?
There you go. Go. Give me 10 pips.
5.5. 7.
Nice. Then
Nice.
all right. 10 pips secured, guys.
8.5, 9.
Woo!
Come on, man. Close it. 9.5. Yay.
Awesome.
Winner, chicken dinner.
There you go. Another winning trade. 2 pips drawdown. 3, 2, 3, 3.5 pips. Managed to close above. Nice.
Oh, look at that sucker. Running up.
You guys secured?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Now these 2 are looking good. Oh, let's see. 1 hour closed above, which is a good thing.
I'm gonna push back up.
Yeah, at least it's gonna come back to this 8 moving average on the 1 hour. Hopefully give us another 10 pips. Yeah, it's coming to this. Let me see if it's that. Oh no, it's far away. So this is the 20 pips here. If you guys want to put your stop at B, because it's already 4 a.m. here, so let's push a little bit further.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it this time.
now it's gonna work out.
Yeah, for sure.
I like this rejection in 15 minutes. We come in at least to this 15 minutes, 8, which is 16 pips.
Are you in already?
If I am in.
Yeah.
Are you sleeping, man?
Yeah.
We already secured 10 pips.
No, yeah.
What do you mean? Are we in?
Yeah, I thought you were gonna wait till it hits that moving average.
Oh no, we took buys from here, secured 10 pips at this red line. Now is coming to this 8 moving average on the 50, but I will secure more if it gives me another 10. I thought you got in or not?
No, I didn't get in this one.
Oh, okay.
Shit.
I mean, we
GJ
had
also
like
pushing.
three pips drawdown. That's just nothing. I said GG's pushing. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
GG's
GJ.
breaking. Nice. GG
43
now.
pips. 43,
Now guys.
man.
Yeah. GJ now 4 hour is about to close like in 1 hour, and if it managed to close above this daily zone, let's see what we got in the. So even the 4 hour close back above here, and the moving averages are far away here, it does come back all the way down here. So do not take buys above. It's gonna come back, or it's gonna be ranging. It's gonna be ranging over here, and this moving average is going to come closer to that zone, or it's going to come back away until this moving average is at that zone, and it's going to come back to that zone and then push up. And then manage the trade if we close below that 8 moving average once it's here and below this zone here. That's your exit. Right.
By the way, on gold, like when I just see 5 minutes, no bottom wick,
because it wants to close
that
above this
always
zone.
reversing. Yeah.
It wants to close the 1
just-
hour. That's what I said. If it does close back below here, we're out. Because I know it shouldn't.
I
Does
think
close
today
sometimes.
this situation happened or like 2 times, I guess. 2 times, yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna run to bathroom and come back.
And Najim, when you gonna close the stream?
All right. Let's see if we get that push to 20 pips.
Hey Najim, when you gonna finish the stream?
When I'm gonna finish the stream?
Yeah.
In a moment. It's
Yeah,
4
okay.
a.m. here. Yeah. This is recorded for anyone wants to watch it. I'm gonna throw it on the YouTube. I also at the first of the video explained about how I take, how I draw the zones, how I enter the trades. If you guys wants to watch it, feel free. I'm gonna send you the link on the chat, on the group later.
Yeah, I just want to ask you, like, I just want to see your zones just to use during the New York. So
my zones.
Yeah, man.
I'm
Gold
gonna
and GJ.
I'm gonna try to oh, you mean like what's happening? I think the same zones we have. Let me finish the stream. Do you want to watch it on the video, or do you want?
Like, I just want to see your charts, bigger
okay.
picture, yeah, in a daily or.
Okay, we just one moment. Let's see if we.
No worries, no worries. You can send me the screenshot of your charts if you like.
Okay.
That will also works.
All right, sounds good.
Gold
you wanna draw the same zones you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I would like to see the reaction on the New York New York session.
I will send on the group the screenshot.
Beautiful.
For.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
We just might get it.
If Najim can trade New York, then he can make good money because of volatility. I mean, today we called like 5 trades, all winning trades, 126 pips. You don't need any more of that. Any more trades.
You should
Any
be
more
good.
trades.
Yeah.
Now you need to do a lot class
Yeah.
because you should be good.
I tried to trade New York. Sometimes I was like very sleepy. I had a headache. Like I was like, go back to sleep.
Right.
But
You need to skip a session if you want to trade New York.
yeah,
You
exactly. I
need
had
to
to sleep
skip
early.
either Asian or London.
Exactly.
I
have
mean,
to.
what this all about? It's to have your own time. I mean, can't trade all through.
Yeah. Today actually we trade all decisions like now say Asian and London all the way up straight.
I think it's going back now.
Yeah. You just guys could stop at B, right? And just let it be. Stops you out. That's it for today. If it keeps going, that's good because it's still bullish. But if it decides to come down, just close it at B and that's it for today.
So do you just concentrate on gold and on GJ?
But if I trade only GJ and gold, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's only what I trade. So it's ranging in between again 30, 30 and 8 and 50 in the 30-minute. Anyways, we secured profit and that's good.
And I did a full rejection.
Huh?
So I did a full rejection.
Yeah, 1 hour, but it's still above the zone, so that's good. Unless this 1 hour or the next 4 hour wants to close back down here, then we heading down. Or it may come back to this moving average again. So for 2 hours, still respecting that zone and the moving average here, it still can play out. As you can see, we hadn't have any 2 hour closing back down here. But yeah, stop at B and just see if Hope
So
not
if this
stop.
if this is rejected, it means we can enter another buy, as it were.
It it could be, yeah, it could be another buy, but I hope, like honestly, if I was to take any trade again, I would wait for 4 hour, see where 4 hour close.
Because it's as good as back to the initial entry.
Yeah, sometimes it does come back and then retest again and then go up again. But as 4 hour is about to close, like in 45 minutes, I would wait for 4 hour close.
Patience is the name of the game, right?
Exactly. So as you can see, after this 4 hour closing back above this daily, like we have 3-4 hours still rejecting that zone. So we want to see if this respects still that. And if it does respect it, we probably gonna come back again, either to this 3 hour, 8, or again to the 2 hour, which is the closest to the zone.
Mm. Your win rate should be almost 10 of 10, 10 or 9.5 over 10.
10-10?
Your win rate, that 10, 10 or 9.5 or 9.7 over 10.
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
I can get
Commendable.
10 pips easy with this strategy. Very easy.
Yeah, but I mean, what I'm curious about it with your strategy, should be able to stay for long to get more pips before closing out position or partial closeout of position, since it's usually on higher time frame.
You think you mean like I should hold it more?
No, usually when you get 10 pips, you close out part of your position. I mean, why are you not usually comfortable to leave it for more, to go on for longer period before closing partial closure?
I used to hold I used to not close it 10 pips, right?
Mm.
And I realized it comes back always again to the entry, and then I decided to close 10 pips.
Always.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I close now like 80%, 85% at 10 pips, right? And then I leave runner. If that runner keeps going, give me 100, 200 pips, that's a win. Or if I close 10 pips and it comes back, that I stop at B, that's a win also. You know? So yeah, you mean like I take trades in the high time frame, why not leaving it to run for more?
Sure.
Yeah, it could work that too, but I just don't
Like
yeah.
if you look at the buys and the sells to your left before now, I mean, that seems to be the long one. The one, yeah, I mean, it's usually for a long period of time. So I
Yeah.
guess this is on higher time frame, but I mean, even on lower time frame, one will be comfortable with taking the trades because it will always be within the range.
So let's say this 4 hour close back above this zone here, right? Wait for this to come back. I took a buy here. If I took a buy here, and then I secure 10 pips, right? And then all this is a bonus.
Yeah.
Because it never came back, because I don't want to give my profit back. So, you know, because if you have a big capital, 10 pips, you're gonna make good money. So you don't want to hold a whole position. If you have $100, $200 here, like why, you know what I mean? Take
Yeah.
$100, 150, and leave 50 to run.
Yeah.
And sometimes I do leave my runner to come back all the way down here or decide to close it, but I still ended in profit because it closed 85%.
Yeah, because I'm new in trading, and I think it was 2 days ago or so. I took a buy. Was it either a buy or a sell on higher time frame? I think it was either 30 minutes or 1 hour, and of course my stop was in accordance with in alignment with that too. And at the end of the day, I mean, I felt at ease because it was a trending move, and there was high lows, and it was just so I was really practically at ease that okay, you know what, I'm still verifying the structure is not broken, and the structure was not broken, and
keeps going in your direction.
yeah, it kept going in my direction, and I didn't take out my profit early. I just left it to run.
Okay.
Of course, in between that period, you always have bearish movement, but eventually, it.
Yeah.
I was checking the higher time frames, and it was still all bullish, and even
Okay.
the lower time frame was more bullish than bearish. So I was comfortable with it.
Yeah, I mean, like, I leave my runners, like, let's say if this one never comes back, stop me and keeps going and close back above this zone here, I would be like probably looking for buys above if we had that same moving average coming to that zone again. And I will still leave this one to run. Right? I had like 3 runners from here. I had 3 runs. I had one. What is that? No, that was yeah, it was called. What is that
Yeah.
zone? I
So
had 3
since this,
runners, and this down here stopped the whole 3 runners here.
so since this zone is being tested, I think this is the second time it's been tested, right?
This daily,
Yeah.
it depends what time frame. 4
Okay.
hour.
Yeah, I get you now.
Yeah.
I was looking
Depends.
at
Yeah.
1 minute time frame.
So I always have in mind that this weekly zone here in the daily hasn't been touched yet, right? We have it. We have a daily. There's a lot of charts. It's what is that weekly zone? Confused. Oh, is this? Wait. There's the other weekly zone. I had another weekly zone. Yeah, I have another, which is this one here. That's why I was like, what is it?
By the way,
Wow.
quick, could you just look at GJ? Will getting into buying, will it be fine? It's going up now.
Let me see. We need to wait for that 4-hour close on the GJ. So we have, for some reason, I deleted these zones here. I don't know why. We have 2 weekly zones here. Let me go to daily. So we have this zone here. It's the last zone we have on the weekly. It hasn't retested yet. I'm aware of this for the price to come back down here. Let's go to 6 hour, and we have that 6 hour moving average at that zone coming closer. And that's if this 6 hour moving average comes back to that zone, I will be looking for buys from here, which is the first time daily is going to be a retesting zone here.
So meaning that one can enter a sell before that place is tested on way back.
Can you repeat that, please? Didn't
So
hear you.
meaning one can enter a sell on way back if that zone will still be retested.
You can't enter because we don't know if it's going to come back here or not. You just want to wait for it to come back. If it does not come back, you will have to wait for the next level to be broken. which is the daily where we are right now.
Okay. No, what I said is that if there is probably a reversal candle indicating that the price is coming back to test that zone, we could enter a sell, you know, on way down before that zone is tested, and while that zone is now being tested, we could now enter a buy also. Does that make sense, what I said?
I don't know. We tried sales to take it down here, but still respected here. So I don't know if I understand your question.
Okay, my question is, you know, you're saying that this zone should be tested again.
There's a high chance to be tested. Yeah.
High chance to be tested. So what I'm saying is, if prices will be coming down, which is on the INA, I think is 154.250. Then if it's going to come down, if there's an indication that it's coming down, then can we take a sell?
I usually don't.
Okay.
If I'm
I
interested,
noticed that. I was going to ask you because I noticed that there seems to be clear movements that you would say is coming down and you don't take them.
Yeah, I understand what you mean now. Because why I'm interested in buys only? Because of the previous daily closing back above the middle of this. Because of this previous daily here, this indicates me buys only. And this zone indicates me a retest, strong zone for retest to keep going with the previous daily closing back above this weekly zone. That's why I wait sometimes, or like I wait very long to come to my entry, just like in GJ, right? I waited for this a whole day, like I call it like today, and they comes back the next day here because we had previous daily here closing above weekly and 3-month resistance here, right? Just like this one here, you see this red candle? You see this drop here?
Yeah.
Closing below the zones that we have now, which we are above now. And that's where we took sales from here. Also, we took sales all the way down from here. This indicates me weekly still has to make that bottom week down. Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how I see it. And I don't know if anyone holding runner here, or I'm the only one.
No, not you only.
Who is this?
Koray.
Koray, you still have a runner, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
47 people.
Awesome. You see why when I look for buys only because of that, because there's a high chance to work out. Because when this happens, once we close, let me see 4 hour. See this 4 hour close back above here. There's a chance to respect this too, but there's a high chance to come back to retest this zone because of the daily hasn't retested here. This is first time here, I guess. Right? 1 and 2. So I could take after we closing back above here, but I have to look at the moving averages, which far away. I wouldn't take it with 1 hour. Maybe this one, right? Or maybe this one. I would try it from here as for our close back above. But again, yeah, it closed back below, came to that zone, and they closed back above. Now this one came back up below again, and I would exit as this one closed back below again. Right?
And also other thing is 154 was a really strong level if you just take a look on the 4 hour, Najim. Just go to left and 154, yeah.
That's a daily, let me show you. That's a daily over here.
Sorry, it was my mistake.
right here. It's a daily.
153,700. Sorry.
153,700.
Yeah, that zone is really strong on 4 hour, and I believe also daily.
What is it? This one?
Yeah, that one. 3 months and weekly resistance in that area. I believe like that area is really strong.
Yeah. The thing.
153,700.
Let me do this.
153.
Let me draw that. 153,700.
700. Yeah. 53, not
153.
40.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it's at the 3 month down here.
Yeah, down
Yeah.
here. On 4 hour, it was like really strong. In the,
Yeah.
as
That's
you
the
can
zone
see,
I had here. Yeah.
price was bouncing in that zone, and then it's just dropped. And then it's coming back again, and then try, and then like test it again, and then it's coming up. In the 1 hour, you can see the like wicks, how to make the wicks in there, and then there was a like really big
Let me see one
bullish
thing here.
engulf candle over there.
Yeah. It came retested multiple times.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I'm more confident to hold my runner over
Because
there.
yeah, this is like a lot of people, they don't look at the high time frame like this, but that's why we have that resistance in here very strong. And if you go to lower time frame, it makes sense, right? We break below and never close back above. We close back above, and even in the 4 hour, rejected, came back again and pushed up. So the high time frame close above or below, it's the higher confirmation it is. So guys, I'm going to end the Zoom. It's already 4:30 a.m. here.
Oh man.
And guys, we're gonna see you tomorrow. Today stayed very a lot.
Today is the blessing day.
Yeah, man, we had a good day today. So
and also I do have only $300 to reach it.
$300?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. You got it. Tomorrow, like, just don't make a mistake on New York session because it's very volatile.
I will try.
Good, like small, like not over risk, you know.
Yeah.
You know how.
Probably I will, if I open a position, I will go with the walnuts only.
Yeah, you like $300 is nothing. You're gonna get it.
Nothing. Yeah, exactly.
How many days do you have left?
I think it's a Friday is the last day. Friday,
Well,
5 p.m. Eastern. Yeah.
You got time then.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys. This stream is recorded. I'm gonna throw it on YouTube and send you guys the link on the group once it's ready. And you said you need the charts, so you're right. All right.
Yeah, if it's possible, like.
What time frame do you prefer? Like to see the whole thing?
Yeah, like maybe 1 hour. Maybe 1 hour.
Okay. You just want to see the weekly zones here, and okay.
Yeah. All right then.
Thank you, Najim. Take good care of you.
No problem. Take care, guys. Everyone. See you tomorrow again. Take care. Not over risking. Don't give your profit back.
Yeah, that was my pleasure, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
Thanks,
Take
Roy.
care.
I
I will send you the charts. Yeah,
yes,
no
man.
problem.
Thank you. Thank you. And
problem,
GJ
guys.
as well. Yes, please. Thank
right.
you.
Take care. Bye.
Sweet. Have a good night, man.
Thank you too. Thank you, Johnson. Bye. Thank you, Dom. I don't know how to call your name, Dom, or I don't want to say anything bad. Dom. All right, guys. Take care.
Thanks, Najim. Bye, Shaji. Bye bye.
All right, take care, Saji. Bye.